Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you step by step how you can enable two-step verification in TikTok account. First of all, you have to open your TikTok account and tap on top right 3 lines. After that you have to click on settings and privacy. Now here you have to click on security and permissions. After clicking on settings and permissions, here you have to click on two-step verification. If you want to turn on your two-step verification through phone number, then click on the phone number, but I want to do it through email. My phone number is already verified, I will click on the email. After clicking on the email, here you have to click on send code, it will send a code on your email. When you receive the OTP code from TikTok on your email, you have to enter it here. After entering here, you can see that our two-step verification has been verified and is on. Now whenever you log into your account, first of all an OTP code will be sent to your email, which you will verify only then your account will be logged in.